Heart-touching poor husband-wife story. One day wife asked husband to buy her comb so that she can grow her hair well and to be well groomed. Her husband couldn't afford to buy her comb and felt sorry. He refused her and explained that he didn't even have enough money to fix strap of his watch. After knowing this, she didn't insist on her request. Next day, as husband was going for work, he passed by watch shop and went inside to sold his damaged watch so that he can buy comb his wife. In evening he came home with comb for his wife and he was very happy to give this to his wife so that she can take better care of her long hairs. But to his surprise he saw that his wife's hair were cut short. When he asked why she got her hairs got cut short, she replied with a smile, "I sold my hair and here is new strap for your watch." Tears came out from their eyes, not for futility of their actions, but for the love they had for each other. Moral: to love is something and to be loved is something, but to love and to be loved in return is everything. So never take love for granted and always value the ones who love you. Subscribe this channel and watch more interesting videos.